Morning. We're in the Ingram Valley in Northumberland this morning, also known as the Breamish Valley. We're going to do a walk around the valley, about 8.5 to 9 mile. The walk takes in one or two of the hills in the valley, so we'll see how it goes. So I parked at Ingram Bridge car park. There's no charge to park here. So from the car park we turn left and just follow the road for a short distance. So there's another parking area just further down the valley here on the right, so you can park here as well. But the way I've got the route planned this morning, it circles around back to the car park where we started from. So we now head up to the left here. So we've turned off the valley road to the left. Now we're heading up Brough Law. Nice bench here, so we're heading up. So the path just carries straight on from the bench here. So that's the River Breamish down there, heading through the valley. So on top of Brough Law, there's the remains of an ancient Hillfort. Really good views, so we're heading up now. That's looking back down the direction we've walked from there. So we're nearing the top of Brough Law now, and we're now at the remains of an ancient Hillfort. So all the stones around here are what's left of that Hillfort. Fantastic views, so we're heading down. That's a seat with a view, alright. Fantastic view from there. Really nice. So we've come down off Brough Law, back down to the valley bottom, and we'll follow the track through the valley a bit before we head up to the right hand side onto the other side of the valley. So that's Brough Law up there. So we'll cross this bridge over the River Breamish, continuing up the valley here. So after walking through the valley, along the road there from Brough Law, and I'll come to this stile on the right hand side, the signpost there. This is where we head now, up to Cunyan Crags. So that's just looking back down the valley there. So the path continues up to Cunyan Crags. So we're following quite a clear grassy path here, which takes us onto the ridge, then up to Cunyan Crags there. So we're leaving Cunyan Crags and the route now takes us towards Reavelly Hill. So not far from Cunyan Crags, you come to these standing stones, or stone circle. That's Cunyan Crags in the background there, behind the stone circle. So just looking back up towards Cunyan Crags there. Just following this fence line at the moment. So on Reavelly Hill, this is an abandoned farm building. We'd actually see this from the other side of the valley earlier on when we were on Brough Law. Right, so we're now back down to the valley bottom. So we've just got a short walk back to Ingram, where the car's parked. Right, so we're now back at the car park at Ingram Bridge. Really nice walk.